Hi everyone, I'm Shaukat from Kerala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a happy day today. Today I'm going to talk about Sudesh sir with my experience. Last Sunday, Sudesh sir came to meet me. Sudesh sir came to Valanjeri to meet me. We had been planning to meet for a long time, but unfortunately, very long time we couldn't meet face to face. Then last Sunday, he came to Valanjeri and we met. We have been keeping friendship for a long time, and he has so many knowledge about English, especially grammar knowledge. He has more grammar knowledge. And when we came to Valanjeri and met me, and we together went to nearby Tiruvagapura river, and we recorded 3 videos from Tiruvagapura river because he has 2 channels. One is English related channel and another one is Malayalam traveling vlog channel. And he recorded 2 videos from Tiruvagapura river. One is Malayalam, another one is English. And I recorded 1 video to post in my channel, and I posted the video in my channel. He also posted 2 videos in his channel. I want to tell you, you should watch these 3 videos because these 3 videos are very valuable videos. You should watch. And I want to explain in front of you. I have experience with Sudesh sir. Before met Sudesh, I had a misperception about Sudesh sir because I thought he's a strong person. This kind of misperception I had previous time. Then when I met him and when we discussed very deeply, detailedly, that time I understood he's a very easygoing person. He's a silly person, approachable person. And we discussed so many grammar rules, and we discussed about editing, how can do editing. He taught me a little bit editing idea also. Previous time also he taught me some editing idea. I didn't have editing idea more. Now also I don't have more editing idea. I want to learn more. But we have, when we discuss other people with on the phone, that time we have misperception about other people. But when we connect face to face, when we meet face to face, that time we can understand the real personality. And when I understood Sudesh sir real personality, that time I understood he's a easygoing person. He's a very approachable person. I understood. And I want to keep friendship with him for long time because I like very much the personality. And after our program over, we came to Valanjeri. On the way, we visited another place also because there a paddy field side. That side also that side also very beautiful, is very beautiful place. That's why I told him, can we go there? That time he told, okay, we can go there, and we went to that place, and he recorded a video from that side also. He had also very good experience with me. I think he also enjoyed so much with me, and I also enjoyed so much with him. So I want to keep friendship with him continuously because he is very knowledge person. I want to learn so many things from his side, and he is a very life experience person also. Very good person. I can't describe about him more. So after I met him, I am very happy. I want to keep friendship with him continuously. It's my intention now. That's why I want make a video about this matter. And 1 p.m. he came to Valanjeri 10 o'clock. We met from Valanjeri 10 o'clock, and he left from Valanjeri 1 p.m. 3 hours we together spent. This long time, most of the time we spoke English, only few time we spoke Malayalam. That's also I got to benefit because he has been practicing English for 3 years. Very senior person and very hardworking person, and he learned more about English. So I'm very happy. I want keep my friendship with him my rest of life. Thank you so much. I explain little about him in front of you because in my case I'm very open mind person. Whatever things I get in my mind, I want to discuss with you. That's why today I discussed in front of you about Sudish, because so many people think he's a very strong person, but when you deeply detailedly connect with him, you can understand he's a very silly person, very approachable person, very good personality person. You can easily understand it. Thank you so much. We will meet again. Bye.